remind you that this will be included in your next exam also. So this is what a typical peripheral nerve or a neuron looks like, and if you see this right here, this is the cell body, whereas this is the axon, and this axon is myelinated. You can see the myelin sheath around the axon, and sitting around that myelin sheath is this layer of connective tissue, which you can see right here, numbered 12. This innermost connective tissue is called the endoneurium. So if you remember, this is the innermost connective tissue, which is very much, the nomenclature is similar to the muscles where you had epi and peri and endomysium. Now instead of mysium, you have neurium. So this is the endoneurium that sits right on the surface of the myelin sheath. So let's start right at the top. You can see this is the cell body. What are these structures right here, these brown structures? So these are axonal bulbs and telodendria from the adjoining or the surrounding neurons, which are going to work as presynaptic cells or presynaptic neurons. So these dendrites that you can see right here, so these are the branches that I'm touching right now. These are your dendrites, so number 14, as you can see right here. These are your postsynaptic membrane. So now if I open up this surface right here, you can see this huge nucleus sitting inside. Red structure showing the Golgi bodies, and you can see these gray endoplasmic reticulum with the ribosomes, those red granules. So together they'll be called the Nissl bodies. This region right here, numbered 1, this is the axon hillock, where you see the cell body, which is the soma, slowly tapering off into the axon. And as you look down, you can see that the axon has all the cellular structures, lots of mitochondria, lots of energy is required here for transmission of electric impulses. The cytoplasm known as exoplasm, the plasma membrane known as the axolemma. You can see the myelin sheaths which are formed around the axon, and these are the nodes of Ranvier. So nodes of Ranvier seen here, seen again here. You can see one of these neuroglial cells right here, which is making this myelin sheath. It's called differently in each type. In the peripheral nervous system, this is the Schwann cell. We'll talk about neuroglial cells in a bit. So this then again is the endoneurium. So this is the model of the peripheral nerve that we will use for our exams. And then this is the structure of a synapse, where you can see this as a presynaptic cell. And you can see lots of lymphatic vesicles. You can see the mitochondria right here. There are, you have other structures, cytoskeletal structures, which maintain the shape of the axon. And you can see all these white balls, which are basically synaptic vesicles. They have neurotransmitters inside them, and you can see exocytosis happening right here. And from here, the neurotransmitters will move out and go into the synaptic cleft. So this membrane right here, the presynaptic membrane. Is that clear? Okay, so we only have these two models which we will use for this part on the neural tissue. The rest are slides. So before that, let's, before looking at this